What are you doing, Taurus?
Trying to pick up a tree.
What are you doing, Tyler? No, I don't own a tractor. It's not mine.
I found my tree,
Don't get any
Mom.
ideas.
I found my tree.
It just happens to be in my yard.
Mom! Oh, my tree. My tree. Not yours. Oh! Crap.
Oh, I missed it. Face first.
I fell. And my tree. I can still pick up my tree. I found my tree.
Weird kid number 1. Weird kid number 2.
I cleaned the house today by myself, so.
So what?
So don't call me weird.
Well, you're weird in a good way.
I cleaned up the house and you did it.
But you wanted to. Throw something at me again.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Take that. And that.
Oh, my butt's freezing. I'm going to sit now.
What's wrong?
My butt's freezing.
Your butt's freezing.
I'm going inside.
Oh, Daddy found something for the sled.
Yay! But my butt's freezing.
Come to the front yard, guys.
I'm seeing the phone. Pull them up!
Come on, guys.
Who are you talking to like that?